Good day, sir. Welcome to PGA Hotel. May I know your name, please?
Good day, I'm Emerson.
Welcome, Sir Emerson. My name is Tensho, and I will be your butler during your stay. How may I assist you today?
I would like to check in. Is there any room available right now?
Yes, Sir Emerson. Let me assist you to the concierge, and may I assist you with your luggage?
Okay, thank you.
It's my pleasure, sir. Please follow me to the concierge. How was your flight, sir?
It is quite long, but it was fine.
May I offer you a drink or a hot towel after you check in?
A cold towel and ice tea would be great.
Very well, sir. I will arrange that immediately. We hope to make your stay comfortable and relaxing.
Okay, thank you.
It's my pleasure, sir. We are now here at the concierge for your check-in. Sir Emerson, let me escort you to your room.
Okay.
Before we arrive to your room, let me introduce you our hotel facilities. Breakfast is served at the restaurant located on the lobby level from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. We also have a cafe and business center located on the lobby level. Our meeting rooms located on the second floor. We also have a swimming pool, spa, and fitness center located on the fifth floor. It's open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Please let us know if you would like to make reservations for any of our hotel facilities, and I will gladly assist you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the information.
It's my pleasure, sir. This is your room, sir. May I please borrow your key card?
Okay.
To open the door, simply swipe the key card beside the door and turn the knob.
Okay.
Please come in, sir. Allow me to demonstrate the room facilities. To activate the light and air conditioning unit, simply insert the key card into the car slot beside the door. Your room is a deluxe room with a queen size bed.
Okay.
We also have a mini bar that contains beverages and snacks for your convenience. Here is your television with a remote control. We also have a telephone, sir, with a local directory. Sir, here we have a bathroom, sir, with a bathtub and a hot and cold water for shower, sir.
Okay, thank you.
And here, sir, we have a wardrobe cabinet, sir. Inside, you will find a bathrobes, sleepers, extra hangers, and safety deposit box for your security.
That's good to know.
To use it, simply enter your preferred PIN code and press the lock button.
Understood. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
This room has everything I need.
Certainly, sir. Everything is prepared for your convenience. Sir Emerson, would you like me to unpack your luggage?
Please, it would be very helpful to me.
Certainly, sir. I will handle your belongings carefully.
Okay.
Sir Emerson, is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you. That would be all.
It's my pleasure, sir. Enjoy your stay.
Okay.
After service.
Please come in.
Good morning, Sir Emerson. I hope you had a pleasant stay with us.
Good morning. My stay here was very satisfying.
I'm
Everything was excellent and convenient.
I'm very pleased to hear that, Sir Emerson.
I would like to check out now.
I understand, sir. Would you like me to assist you with packing your belongings?
Yes, please. I have a few things to organize.
Certainly, sir. I will pack your clothes and personal items for you. I will also make sure that your fragile items are secured properly.
Okay, that would be great. Thank you.
It's my pleasure, sir. Sir Emerson, I am already done with packing your belongings.
Okay, thank you so much.
Certainly, sir. Once you are ready, allow me to escort you to the lobby and assist you with your luggage. And I will also inspect the room to make sure that no personal belongings are left behind.
Okay, thank you.
Sir Emerson, I have checked the room and none of your personal belongings were left behind.
Okay, thank you. I guess I'm ready now.
This way to the lobby, sir.
Okay.
Sir Emerson, may I ask if you enjoyed staying with us?
My stay here was very satisfying. Thank you as well for the excellent service and assistance during my stay.
We're delighted to hear that, sir. We hope to welcome you again soon.
I would love to come back. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Emerson. Have a safe trip and we hope to see you again soon.